Here on Earth, our survival depends on a star at the very heart of our solar system, the Sun. For over 4.5 billion years, this huge hot ball of glowing plasma has delivered an energy that powers all life on Earth. It drives the weather and climate, ocean currents and water cycle, and shapes our daily activities and well-being. Located nearly 150 million kilometers from Earth and with a core temperature of around 15 million degrees Celsius, the Sun keeps our planet warm enough for living things to thrive. As our planet orbits around the Sun each year, the tilt of the Earth's axis determines the length of our days and the amount of sunlight we receive. This shapes our seasons and the changing temperatures that go with them. Over the span of each 11-year solar cycle, the Sun's activity waxes and wanes as magnetic field lines that are wound and tangled inside of it occasionally break through to the surface. Since the end of the last ice age some 12,000 years ago, our climate has been fairly stable, although it has often been affected by small changes in the amount of solar radiation reaching the Earth's surface. About half of the sunlight reaching the Earth's atmosphere passes through air and clouds to the surface, where it is absorbed and then radiated upward in the form of infrared heat. Much of that heat is absorbed by the greenhouse gases and radiated back in all directions, warming the surface of the Earth and the lower atmosphere. Without this natural greenhouse effect, the Earth's average surface temperature would be an inhospitable minus 18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, instead of the approximately 14 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, we experience today. The current warming of our planet is not related to changes in solar activity, but the burning of fossil fuels and other industrial and agricultural activities, which have led to record levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, disrupting the natural energy balance. This is triggering long-term climate change, including the melting of ice, rising sea levels, increasing ocean and land temperatures, and more extreme weather, such as heat waves. To tackle climate change, solar energy, along with other renewable sources, has the potential to replace fossil fuels, like coal and oil, as a major source of electricity. Even in cloudy weather, solar energy can be harnessed directly from the Sun, and technological advances are making it cheaper and more accessible to millions of people. As well as affecting the Earth's temperature, the Sun drives our planet's water cycle. By constantly evaporating water into the atmosphere and returning it as rain, snow, and dew, the Sun makes liquid water possible. The Sun also powers our ocean currents. On a more personal level, the Sun also plays a key role in our health and well-being. Too little affects our mood and can lead to a shortage of vitamin D, weakening our bones and teeth, while too much can harm our skin, eyes, and immune system. Across the world, national meteorological and hydrological services provide expertise and services both to harness the power of the Sun and to protect us from it. Along with weather observations and forecasts around the clock, they monitor our atmosphere, keeping track of greenhouse gases, ultraviolet radiation, aerosols, and ozone. This increases our understanding of the impact on people, our climate, air and water quality, and marine and terrestrial life. Whichever way you choose to look at it, the Sun truly is central to our existence, a perfectly positioned force driving every aspect of our daily lives. The more we know and understand, the better we can plan and prepare.